Are you eating turkey, Emma? Yeah.
You two with your mouth closed?
Close the barn door.
That's a lot of turkey, hey? Yeah, are we done or do you want some more? Daddy give you a little bit more.
Oh, she found something. Oh.
There you go.
Little barbarian girl.
That's dark meat. Mmm. Are you gonna be a dark meat fan like Mommy and Daddy?
Yep. Is it good?
Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah.
Funny.